I'm catching up with Harry and Al shortly. They're from Web Tools, so they're digital health solution providers and doing some fantastic work, particularly in the primary healthcare sector in New Zealand and potentially elsewhere actually. They're in behind me in that funky looking building called Duck Central. They've got one of these loft conversion type offices. Great space. So it's too noisy to get too close and give you a bit of a chat, but just letting you know, this is where I'm going to catch up with the guys, have lunch with them, have a bit of a chat. They are proud and staunch Cantabrians, so they're going to give me the lowdown on what makes Christchurch and Canterbury, in their opinion, the best place probably in the world to be. Well, we're here today with my mate Al Duncan. He's at Web Tools, and they're one of the leading in New Zealand, in fact Australasia, isn't it? Al? Yes, leading digital health solution providers, specialising primary care,
mobile technology for patients and providers.
Yep, cool. But all that to one side, Al's a great mate, and he's here in Christchurch, Canterbury, and they're known as one-eyed Cantabrians. They actually have these patches on. And
you should come down and live in Christchurch, mate.
Yeah,
what isn't there to love here? We've got
so I'll say that again. Al's going to convince me why I should come down and live in Christchurch.
Oh, mate, I mean, where do I start? We've got a new stadium being built, 30 metres from our office. Our office being the central hub of all innovation coming out of Canterbury, being Web Tools. But we've also got, what have we got? We've got the Port Hills here, if you like running, you like walking, you like mountain biking. We've got the Adventure Park. We've got the Southern Alps for skiing, for hiking. I mean, man, what else? We've got the Avon River. It's running a little bit low these days, but you can do a bit of punting there if you're happy to get out and help push the punt along a little bit. I mean, myself, I'm a big biker, so we've got a nice flat Canterbury plain, so I can hoon around on my bike, no problems. But if I want a bit of hills, bit of resistance.
Don't you get that northwesterly sort of wind though?
Oh yeah, the northwester. Yep, that's quintessential Cantab. and as you say, the one-eyed Cantabrian. So we've got the Cantabrians here, which are a beautiful bunch of people. We've been through a lot here. Has put us all together, and we're all about the love.
Well, I'll give a plug for Christchurch.
All right, mate.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Well done.
Jump in the bucket. We'll go for a hoon, and I'll show it firsthand.
Okay. Well, Al, if you can prove to me, well then I think it could be a done thing.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, mate. We're off.
We're off.
Okay.
Departing the Web Tools office.
Well, we're off.
And we're off.
When Al said that he was going to show me Tipai and around Christchurch just to prove to me that this is the place to be. I didn't actually realise this is what's going to be my wheels actually.
Your swan song, mate. Hold on tight. Coming in hot.
Here we go, team.
Welcome to Christchurch in construction. The new residential zone's all been built. Web Tools office about 100 metres that way. Safety first. Alright, off to Tipai.
So we're off, team.
We're off.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure. This is my first experience of being in a bucket bike, and I tell you what, it's total trust of the driver.
You didn't know what you're missing out on, mate.
You find out who your mates are when you get in a bucket with them.
All right. What have we got? Head this way. All the new build here. A lot of construction going on in Christchurch. Hub of activity. Bit of wind. Nothing like a bit of Cantabrian nor'easter. As the crow flies, we're about 400 metres away. Here's the newest bar in the oldest church. And heading straight towards the cathedral. All right, you're good for shortcuts, aren't you?
Yeah, why not? Let's do shortcuts.
Watch out for the cones. Whew.
I tell you what, Al's done this before, so got total trust in him.
7 years on the bucket.
Yeah.
We got Turaga, our award-winning public library, and then straight ahead is Tipai, our conference centre. What was that?
So
Maybe 2 minutes?
Man, this
2
is
minutes
close.
in the
Yeah.
bucket?
So this is Tupai. This is
Tupai, mate.
I was told by my Auckland mates that it's just this tiny little thing.
What do you reckon? You see it for yourself?
Well,
30 kilometres an hour past. How long is it going to take us?
it might be it might be the opposite to the TARDIS time machine. It might be like really big on the outside and small on the inside.
I reckon they've nailed it. Nice glass frontage. There you are. It speaks for itself, really, doesn't it?
It does. Can we
What
stop?
do you reckon? Do you reckon we could take on the take on the doors here? Will they let us in? In the bucket? Maybe not.
Maybe not.
It's one way to find out, isn't it? Here we go, right to the door.
Nice.
Welcome to Tupai.
The Avon River just out there where you can do some punting. You got this amazing looking building. I have to admit, Al, I think you've convinced me, mate.
100%, mate.
100%.
Come on down. Yep, and bucket rides, $20 a pop.
Oh, right, yeah.
Door-to-door service.
Yep. While we're at it, I've got to give a kudos to my mate here, Al.
Yep.
And as he says, $20 rides, it's a thrill a minute.
First ride's free.
Oh, first ride free. Cool.